Hello, today I would like to show you this extremely interesting vintage lamp from Ikea. This is something that I would like to have next to my bedside, and it is a good model because on my ceiling I've got a Ikea Strato that looks like a UFO, and to some extent that's matching this style, so it is extremely nice. This is the model number, Ikea Inreda R0603. As you can see, it's nominal rated for a 12 volt and it's using a regular beautiful warm bulb that is pulling a 20 watt. At the other end we've got the RCA plug, which is quite interesting for providing DC power that is usually used on the audio signal. But my plan is to cut that plug, attach the Anderson power pole, and it will go directly into my DC distribution board from Goal Zero. So I recommend to check the DC distribution board for the Anderson pole that I've got on my channel. So let's take a look at this and tell me, do you see as a radio oriented person something? Do you see something radio related? And if you see, then you are correct. This is an antenna, just antenna like you can find on the other devices. And just like on that scanner, you can pull that antenna out and you can close it. This is definitely an antenna. I saw that design on radios that you can fold it. Since it's using a regular bulb, the top part is made out of metal. That's because it is using a regular bulb and it's going to be warming. Here you've got element for changing the angle, and this is what we've got inside. So as you can see, we are repeating 12 volt 20 watt max. Very nice. The bulb under glass. If it's going to break, you are not going to get the shrapnels. On top we've got a very nice switch, and I'm pretty sure this is just a regular low cost switch, but they added on top that cover that is making it look a custom build. But I'm pretty sure it is a regular cheap Chinese switch with a screw on top, and they just slide that piece and it makes a good effect. In addition to that, you've got an inline switch on the cable. The whole idea is that here you've got a wall and you are going to mounting it like that, and if you are not using it, your lamp goes like that. So now it's being next to the wall. Just imagine that it's sticking on the wall and you can grab it like this, pull it like that, and adjust the angle so it's going to be nicely shining where it should be. To try it out, I rig myself that adapter that is grabbing regular DC and changing it to the RCA, and we are going to plug it. Now the only thing left is to turn it on using that tiny switch, and you've got a beautiful yellow warm light. Just imagine that you are in the winter, you turn it on and you feel a nice warm. Absolutely beautiful. I very enjoy it. This is how it looks like, the Ikea Inreda 12 volt beautiful lamp. I extremely enjoy it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.